Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to solve the following pairs of simultaneous equation by substitution method. Alright, so step 1 is to label the equation. So I shall label this as my equation 1 and this is my equation 2. After which, we need to decide which of the following to use it for equation 3, where we are going to make that equation that we have chosen one of the variable to be the subject. Okay, so in this case here, it does not matter which equation I choose. I shall choose equation 2. Alright. So I will have 3p equals to 14 plus 4q. Do you know why? Why does it become plus 4q? I hope you can see that. I actually add 4q to both sides of this equation 2 so that I eliminate this 4q here, negative 4q. 4q minus 4q equals to 0. Okay, so that is what happened. Alright, but we are not done yet. Okay, because this 3p, we still have to divide by 3 on both sides, so that this whole expression here, the whole thing divide by 3, and that will be my equation 3. Okay, now we are going to substitute this into equation 1. Okay, and what do I mean by that? Substitute 3 into 1. So I would have 7p. Oh, instead of writing p, I'm no longer going to write p. Rather, from equation 3, p is equal to 14 plus 4q over 3. I'm going to write p as 14 plus 4q. Divide by 3. Still have my plus 3q and my 8. And now I do see a denominator 3. I'm going to multiply by 3 throughout the equation so that this will divide off the 3. I still have my 7, but now I will have 14 plus 4q without the denominator anymore. I have my 3 times 3q, positive 9q, equal to 24. And from here, we are going to continue to solve for q. 7 times 14 will be equals to 98. 7 times 4q, positive 28q, plus 9q, equals to 24. And eventually, you will get the following answer shortly. Positive 8q plus 9q, together they make 37q. And you will have this 24 minus 98. Because, why? Because if I minus 98 on both sides, I would eliminate the 98 here. So if I do that, 98 minus 98, yep, 0, right? That's what happens. Okay, and now back to the equation. So eventually I will get the following: negative 74. And finally, I will need to divide by, yes, 37. So final answer, Q is negative 2. And once we get Q equals to negative 2, then we just need to substitute back into the equation 3. So I'm going to write on the other side here. So we just need to substitute Q equals to negative 2 into my equation 3, where my P is equals to 14 plus 4Q. Q is negative 2. And the whole thing divided by 3. And that's where I will get my final answer, 2. Well, before we end off this video, there's still one last step just to make sure that we got the answer correct. It will be good to do a self-check where I substitute the value of P and Q into the equations. So for example, equation 1 is 7p, which is 7 times 2, plus 3q. Q is negative 2. Does this give me back 8? 14 minus 6. Yes! Our answer should be correct. And just to make sure that it is indeed correct, 3 times P, which is 2, minus 4 times Q, which is negative 2. Does this give me 14? Yes, it does. And so we have confirmed that our answers are correct. And we are done with this question. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.